Hello mga kabiherong puyat! Welcome back to my channel. And like what I promised, gagawa tayo ng maraming content this year. And for today's video, I'm gonna show you my Dunkin' Donuts pillow collection.
Sana all!
This month, they released their new design to their pillow collection, and I believe this is their 4th edition. The first one was Choco Butternut design, which is hindi ako nakakuha. I don't know why. Siguro baka busy ako nung time na yon. Pero okay lang naman kasi marami ring hindi naka-avail. Kaya nga nabasa ko sa isang page ng mga collector na sana mag-restock ng Choco Butternut design ang Dunkin' Donut. Baka naman Dunkin' nananawagan kami. Char!
Anong kailangan kong gawin?
Anyway, hindi naman tayo nagpahuli when they released their 2nd edition ng kanilang pillow, which is the Boston Cream Pillow. Ito yung eksaktong plastic na ginamit nila. So, hindi pa siya nabubuksan. I got 2 pairs siyang binili ko. So, yan, buksan natin. Kahit ganito yung plastic niya, bumawi naman sila sa quality ng pillow. Ayan. Malaman. Sarap yakapin. Diba? Sana all may kayakap sa tag-ulan. Char! So, yan. This is their 2nd edition na kanilang pillow. And 3rd one, in their 3rd edition, they released 2 design and 2 flavors. At this time, bumawi sila sa kanilang packaging. Ganda ng plastic, matibay at may handle. At ang unang flavor, they have strawberry candy sprinkle. And the other one is vanilla candy sprinkle. I got 4. These 2 are mine. And the other 2 binigay ko sa apo ko at saka sa pamangkin kong bunso. Hindi kasi pwedeng isa lang bibilhan mo. Dapat dalawa sila para walang salasan.
Wait a minute!
At nung time na nag-e-event pa tayo, nagpa-Dunkin kami sa office dati at binigyan kami ng manager ng mga pillows dahil marami kaming nabili at yung pillows na yun binigay ko sa ka-work ko and then I have 2 at binigay ko rin sa dalawa kong pamangkin. So yan, a total of 6 pillows ng ganitong design. And lastly, their newest design to their pillow collection. This one is the Waco pillow. Ayan, sealed pa. I got 4. Binigay ko na yung dalawa. And I still have 2. Kasi nga, laging pair ang binibili ko. Para pag display mo, ayan, maganda tignan. What I love to this design is the color. Hindi siya dumihin. At siksik yung laman niya. Kaya masarap yakapin. So, ayan, nakita nyo lang aking mga Dunkin' Donuts pillow collection. So, baka naman, Dunkin', mag-stock sana kayo ng Choco Butternut para makompleto ka naman itong mga pillow collection nyo.
Paano masabi?
At dahil dyan, meron naman tayong bagong aabangan sa Dunkin' Donuts. So, watch out to their page. Dahil nakita ko sa isang post na maglalabas sila ng mga bling-bling ng maliliit din na design ng donut. So, abangan po natin yan.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay.
So, thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Josh and you're watching Josh TV. Thank you!
Tagumpay!